This product is the PortaGuard Expanding Barrier. It's a simple and effective way to restrict pedestrian access. Now, it's very compact and easy to move around. There's a latch on the top that you release and then simply expand the barrier out. Now, this is a 3 metre version. There's also a 6 metre version as well. Now, the barrier is available in 2 colours. This is black and yellow. There's also a red and white. There's optional wheels for the unit, so particularly the 6 metre one, you can move around quite easily. There's also a wall mount bracket. Say if you wanted to use it across maybe a roller door in a warehouse, you might want to mount that on the wall on one end, and then it would be held in place while you move the free end. You might even want to put wheels on this end. So there's also a mounting bracket for the top of the post for a sign, so you can have a sign that might say no entry or whatever message you want to say. The PortaGuard Expanding Barrier. Contact your local Safety Equip branch for further information.